Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with my new releases for this Friday. I am so excited about all of these releases. There are so many kits this week. It's a really big release week, so I'll go ahead and get into it. First thing I did want to mention is Wednesday. There will be no Wiggle It Wednesday for this week. I'm not sure if we're going to have one next week either, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. This week on Wednesday, we are going to be doing the final stock of the pastel Christmas bundles. So those bundles will be available. I think I have about 90 left and they have to be single item orders, just like whenever we first sold them, and those come with all of the items that were in the bundle before, which I did a full video on. There's like a kit, there's some foil, there's seals, there's tons of extra stickers, there's journaling cards, there's a washi, there's vinyl stickers, so there is lots of stuff in there. So if you guys want more information on that, definitely check out the unboxing video. I'll try to remember to link it down below, and that'll be available on Wednesday, and I do only have 90 bundles left. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. So I'll go through the non-kit items first. We have a lot of items this week. I did keep last week's a little bit lighter, so I wanted to go a little bit heavier on the releases this week, so I'm really excited. So the first thing that we have here is a pink sparkly bow, and I did show you guys these last week. I did have a like red orange and then also a gold. It is clear and you can put it on items, and you can even put it in the dishwasher and the glitter stays on. So I'm really excited about this. I love the hot pink with the like silver glitter on it. It's so pretty. I have one on the back of my phone and also on my computer, and they're just so dang cute. Then we also do have some pink seals with gold. I love pink and gold together. This is a really pretty hot gold. Not too hot, but it definitely is a hot gold, and I love it. So these will be available. Then we have our foil releases for this week. I did decide to do 3 designs this week of foil releases. So we do have some bucket lists that are hand lettered by Jessica of J. Crew Plans with different holiday items on here. So these will fit perfectly in a half box. Do I have a half box laying around somewhere? I'll show you guys when I open a kit how it looks in a half box. Some of them will fit, like Donate Toys will fit into a quarter box. You can kind of, there you go. But I'll show you guys on half box too. So some of them will fit into quarter boxes, but most of them are more, if you can see, half box size. So they are like kind of the width of a box though. So I'll show you guys those with a half box whenever I open up a kit, but I love these so much. They are such a pretty size. I love Jessica's handwriting. We have a lot more things coming in her handwriting exclusives, and I just love it. She is so talented, and these are just gonna look so dang cute. I've been loving using the holiday ones and also the baby ones. I've been even using the little countdowns on the baby ones for different things, because obviously Bennett is kind of like running out of the time because he's almost 1, but those are the bucket lists. And then I do have some foiled headers this week. So I have these really cool ones. I'm super excited about these. I'm calling them carbon because they remind me of like carbon fiber, but if you look at them, they're actually itty bitty little like gradient dots. So they go from really big to small, and we will have them in all 3 foil colors, and these are header overlays. And then we have these ones which are like speckled. Super cute. I love these. These are very versatile as far as like being able to use them with a lot of different kits. They will match. So these will be our speckled and then our carbon header overlays. So these go over your glitter headers or over your regular headers, whatever you want to do. Super cute. So those are, and I'm sorry about my nails, guys. Those are the foil releases for this week. Let's go ahead into the kits. Most of these kits do have an ultimate mini glitter sampler and all the jazz. The only one that doesn't have a mini kit is this one, which is wild because I feel like I've been doing a lot of either ultimate or mini kit, mostly ultimate kit exclusives, which we will have a lot of ultimate kit exclusives. I mean, mini kit. What did I say? I've been having a lot of mini kit exclusives, which we probably will have a lot more mini kit exclusives coming in the next couple of weeks, just with the holiday art that's still trickling in. So I do have this one, which is an ultimate kit exclusive. This is exclusive art. We do have one other exclusive art this week, but this one is so pretty and so special. This is based on the Victoria's Secret fashion show, and I just love this so much. I am very excited for the fashion show this year. I got into it last year with Jessica, and I am so pumped. And this is a really fun kit to kind of throw into your holiday spreads. It's very early in the holiday, but I think that it's fun with the silvers and the pinks, and I'm just so excited. So I did do the really cool like silver accents in here, so you do have the silver whenever the color strip over here isn't like pink. doesn't match the back, that means there's going to be a lot of cool accents in here. So you do have the like semi-older freebie, I guess. So you have the Munchkins and the Scribblers, and then you do have the glitter accents and the ombre hair checklist. I love these girls so much. So you have the decos, so you have some extra girls over there, and then you have all of the silver accents in the boxes and such. You have your extra full box here. She's so pretty. You could definitely use this for the Victoria's Secret fashion show, or you could just use it really anytime because, I mean, who doesn't love Victoria's Secret and like underwear and stuff? Well, there's a lot of people who don't, but you know what I mean. I love all the pink, again, all the silver. You have a lot of silver in the functional. So much pink. And then the bottom washi I love. I love this abstract pattern. So again, this is exclusive art. You won't find this art anywhere else. Super pumped about that. It is an ultimate exclusive. There is the option though if you want to add on the bows, which are so pretty and again versatile with the pink and the silver. And there are two different options with the glitter sampler. So you could either do the pink or you could add on the silver, which is super pretty. The pink's a little bit, it's our like standard, and then the silver is a little bit more of a fine silver, just to note. But those are the options for Angels. Just such a pretty, again, super pink, super beautiful kit. Then we'll go on to the other exclusive art this week, and this is the Barbie kit. So super excited about this. So let's go through these. So let me see. Let's go through the Ultimate first. So all of the kits, Ultimate and Mini, will come with an extra fashion box. So let's go ahead and open it because the fashion girls are elves, but I wanted to make sure there was another Barbie option as well. So this kit is called Barbie, as it is like based on Barbie Christmas, and I'm so excited. Again, so much pink. This one has a lot of hot pink in it, but I really love the like additional blues in it, which makes it a little less like crazy on the pink, but I do love the blue like in it. And then also it does have a lot of white to kind of break it up. So love this kit. Again, kind of based on Barbie Christmas. You do have your extra box in both the Ultimate and the Mini kit. So you will have with the Ultimate kit a ton of boxes. What is that? 8, 9, 10, 11 full boxes. You have your ombre hair checklist, your functional page, you have your half boxes, and then it says I'm dreaming of a pink Christmas in the Barbie type font. Then you have your little things, your pattern washi, your deco, which is so dang cute. And I love this weekend banner. So pretty. And then you have your bottom washi and your extra full box here. So cute. And then this one has the like Fangirl Munchkin and the SBC new releases as the freebie. So that is the Ultimate kit for Barbie. And then there is also a mini kit option as well. The mini kit will still have the extra Barbie freebie here, and then this does have the Munchkin freebie there, and you have the same full boxes. You have the mini kit page with the fancy labels there, the functional page, the deco page, and then you have the page with the extra full box that you could totally cut down into extra washi if that is your preferred. So that is the mini kit. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. There's also an option if you want to add on the bows, and then there's also another option if you want to add on the elf girls, which are so cute. The girl with their pink hair, I love her so much. So you have lots of add-on options for that one. Then we have another kit here. I'm definitely saving the best for last, guys. I'm so excited. I haven't even sneaked it yet. It is Monday when I'm filming this. I'm filming it kind of early. Normally I film on Tuesday, but just got home from work. Bennett's taking a nap, so I figured this was the best time. So this art just came out this week, and I'm so excited about it. It's so pretty. There was like Christmas elements in here, but I kind of like nixed them for the most part besides this like little bauble, but I thought that was like minimal enough, and went more on the like winter side of things, which I think turned out really cute. And I really love this little box here. I did post a picture to my Instagram stories, but it's just like me and Jessica's conversations always. So you do have like lots of planner girl like vibes here, and very like snowy winter colors, which I really like. I love the pink with the blue and the gold. It's just really pretty. So those are your full boxes. This one does have like the SPC and the little Munchkin. Here is your extra full box. I thought it was kind of cute, like planner friends, because of the planner friend box. So you have a bunch of girls there in like matching colors to the kit as far as like their clothing goes, which is so dang cute. I love this so much. It's so pretty. And then you have a ton of deco. This is one that I feel like you could totally like chop it down whenever you're done and use some of these items functionally, because there are a lot of Planner Girl items in there which are really, really cute. And again, I really love these colors with the very like champagne light gold vibes. Pattern washi, and then your bottom washi, which is so pretty with the pink plaid with the gold, and then the headers, not headers, but date covers also do have the gold and the text. So this one is called Winter Plans, and this is so pretty. Again, going to be beautiful for January or February whenever you're looking for those winter kits. Or honestly, I feel like this is kind of like an anytime kit. Besides like the hot cocoa, I mean, people wear long sleeve pajamas all the time, right? I think you could use this pretty much anytime. So you do have the mini kit option as well. Emily, what's you doing with arranging these sheets? So cute. And then you do have the same Munchkin SP Senior Releases freebie, and that's lettered in Jessica's handwriting. And then it's both that and the Munchkin are filled in with like a glitter of the background color, which is just so dang cute. Didn't I do something different with one of them? I don't remember. Maybe that was a mystery kit I did something different with the fill-in of those. Then there's the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is super pretty. There's also an option if you want to add on the bows. And then there's also an option if you want to add on the extra Fashion Girls. So this one was really cute. It's from a different art set, but I just recolored it and added a bow in her hair because I thought it was really cute. And she's like sitting on the chair, chilling, looking at her planner stuff, which is just me, you know. Then, oh, also wanted to note that we do on the new releases, like sticker wise, we do unlimited 3-hour, like on Friday at noon Eastern. There's unlimited stock of all the items, and that's for 3 hours only, and then it goes down to just the regular stock. And usually the mini kits do sell out in there. Sometimes they don't, but a lot of times they do. But we do try and stock a lot of mini kits, and I feel like being able to do the 3 hours, we've been able to kind of see like how many we need of each. During the holidays, it's a little hard to guess sometimes, so this is the last kit. I am so excited about this. I wanted to do a holiday photo kit, and I feel like this is the epitome of holiday photo kits. It's like my favorite thing to ever happen to the whole entire world. And this kit, honestly, you could use any foil color. I did do, if you look at the weekend banner, it is like a really light champagne color. But honestly, I feel like this kit would look really good with gold foil, like my gold, like the more like not hot gold, silver or rose gold, especially the rose gold, the pinkier rose gold. This is going to look so pretty with. I love this. I'm using this in January as kind of like when I take down my decorations because it's so pretty, and I feel like it has a lot of like winter vibes. I love this. I love the colors. It's so pretty. Ugh. And then the quote says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's so simple, so beautiful." Oh, I love these colors. I've been and then also I did a lot of work, and I went and did deco, and I like cut out items from the pictures, which takes forever, but I think it looks so cute. So I love this so much. And then you have your bottom washi, which how pretty is this? Again, this took me a bit to like put everything together, but so pretty. And then you have your extra full box here. So into this. I hope you guys love this because I put so much work into this photo kit. Photo kits are so time intensive because of recoloring all the pictures, because obviously these aren't all by the same photographer. They have different lightings, different colorings. I have to recolor like the bulbs to be the pink, but it was so worth it. So that is the ultimate kit option. There's also a mini kit option. I think this is probably going to be the best selling holiday kit for sure. The best selling Halloween kit was actually the Halloween photo kit. You guys love photo kits. They just are, like I said, so time intensive. The new mini kit page with the fancy labels. So you have the mini kit with also the same Munchkin freebie. And then there's also the option, since we don't have the bows in the kit, I did do the bows a la carte. The bows are only available till Sunday. And then you do have the option for the glitter sampler. Again, this kit will look amazing with any foil color that you little heart desires. And then I do want to show you guys really quick, because otherwise I'll forget, how these fit. Let's pick a bigger one. How these fit in the half boxes. You can kind of see. You could even, some of them you can kind of like put on the side and put like a little character with it. Some of them are pretty big. But they all fit in a half box. You can center them if you like. Or you can just put them on your page without a half box. Whatever you want to do. They're super cute. But again, this kit will look so beautiful with any foil color. Let me just show you real quick. It's like, it's the most like neutral but like any foil color. I don't know what I'm going to do. I feel like I'm going to channel Emily and do like rose gold because I feel like this is probably like the prettiest with rose gold, but I don't know because like silver is what Jessica said initially, and then I said gold initially, but now looking at it with the pinky silver, the pinky rose gold, I don't know what I'm going to do. Let me know if you're picking this up, what you're going to do with it as far as foil colors, because I have no idea. That is everything for this week. These will be available this Friday at noon Eastern. Again, we do unlimited stock for the first 3 hours. So if you're a mini kit user, definitely hop on there. Sometimes they do last, like I think there was one last week that lasted a little bit longer than the 3 hours. Oh, and most of the times I forget. So it's usually a little longer than 3 hours. One time it was a full weekend because I just was like lost. But I hope you guys like this week's new releases. I also did put up the mystery kit and those shipped on Monday. So I put the mystery kit on reveal on Monday. If you guys didn't see that, I'm really excited about this one's mystery. It's so beautiful. I'm using it in January. So pretty. But I hope you guys like it. And don't forget also on Wednesday, there's those pastel bundles, the last one. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.